Hello children! Welcome to English class with me. I'm your teacher Anara. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. This is our last lesson of the second quarter and I hope you learned many things. Let's look what you learned in the second quarter. You learned parts of the body, appearance, groceries. You also learned to use questions, how much and how many, and find words countable and uncountable nouns. You learned how to express your likes and dislikes, and learned how to ask questions about likes and dislikes. You also learned question words where, what, who. Let's revise everything and have some quiz time before you go to your winter holidays and have a wonderful New Year celebration. Now children, you need to remember the names of food and we'll play a matching game. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay, what is it? Is it ice cream, salad, eggs, or pasta? Let's choose pasta. Right. What's next? Is it milk, soap, meat? Okay, it's toast. And these are eggs. We have vegetables, fruit, and salad. Next, vegetables, right? What's next? Yes, this is ice cream. Let's choose it. What's next? It's milk. Let's choose milk. Next word. It's a soup. And next word, we have fruit. This is fish. And the last one is meat. Super well done. Let's remember the names of food. In this game, you need to put the letters in order to make a word. Again, we have a topic of food. Let's start. Okay, we have A-T-O-O-P-T. What word is it? Let's start with P. P. No, it's not P. Maybe O. Potato. Right, it's a potato. Next word. O-T-O-T-M-A. What word is it? Let's start with T. T. Toe. Next can be M. Tomato. Right, it's a tomato. Next word, we have U-E-R-M-C-C-U-B. I guess it's a cucumber. Let's start with C. C-U, C. Then we have again U, cucumber, B-R. Yes, we have a word cucumber. Next we have A, R-T-O-C-A-R. What word is it? Let's start with C. C-A, I guess it's a carrot. Good, it's carrot. Next words, we have article N. Let's change the places. N. Okay, we have words P-L-E-A-P. Maybe it's an apple. Let's start. A-P-P-L-E. We have an apple. Good. Next, A-N-A-B-A-N. What word is it? Let's start with B. It's a banana. Yes. Next, article N. We have letters G, N, R, O, E, A. N, or, I think you guessed this word, right? It's an orange. Orange. Yes. And the last word, M-O-N-E-L. What word is it? Let's start with L. Do you find the word? It's a lemon. Good job. Well done, children. Good job, children. You remember all the names of food. Well done. Now let's remember the questions. How much and how many? Remember, with uncountable nouns we ask question how much. With countable nouns we ask question how many. Let's play. Choose the correct word. Much or many. Go. Okay, children, in this game you need to choose the word many or much. Remember, many we use with countable words, much we use with uncountable words. Let's start. How many or how much milk do you drink a day? Milk is uncountable, so that's why we choose the word much. How much? Next, how sweets, much sweets or many sweets do you eat a day? Sweets is countable. We use word many. How many sweets do you eat a day? Next, how much or many Coke do you drink a day? Coke is uncountable. How much? How pasta do you eat a day? A week. Much or many? Pasta is uncountable. Do you remember? And we use the word much. How much pasta do you eat a week? Apples. How many apples or how much apples? Yes, it's countable, and that's why we use word many. How many apples? ice cream. How much ice cream or how many ice cream do you eat a week? Let's choose much. Next question. How much, how many meat do you eat a day? Alright, we have meat is uncountable. That's why we choose word much. And the last question. How many tea or how much tea do you drink a day? Yes, it's uncountable, and that's why we choose word much. How much tea? Good job, children. Now let's look at how you express your likes and dislikes. Let's play. Now, children, we express our likes and dislikes. We spin the wheel and answer it. Are you ready? Let's go. Do you like? Let's spin it. Do you like coffee? Children, do you like coffee? Say yes, I do, or no, I don't. I like coffee. Next, let's spin. Do you like eggs? Children, do you like eggs? As for me, I don't like eggs. What about you? Next. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. I like chocolate. What about you? Do you like chocolate, children? I think yes. Next. Do you like chicken? Do you like chicken? Okay, do you like oranges? Do you like oranges? Do you like oranges, children? Yes, I do. Let's do one more. Do you like bread? Do you like bread? Yes, I do. What about you, children? Let's do one more and finish. Do you like water? Do you like water? Yes, I do. I like water. What about you? Let's finish. Good job, children. Let's play another game. In this game, you show your parts of the body and match. You need to match up. Look at the picture and match. So we have words ear, chin, cheeks, head, thumb, nose, elbow, lips, toe, eyes, ankle, and knee. Let's start with the knee. Where is a knee? This one is a knee. Right? Okay, what's this? It's a nose. What's this? It's an ear. What's this? Your eyes. These are lips. And this is your elbow. When you like it, you do thumbs up. And this is your toe. And this is your ankle. And this is your chin, your head, and your cheeks. We submit our answers. All correct. Good job, children. Well done, children. That's all for today. I wish you to have a great time during the winter holidays and come back with full of energy to continue your studies. Goodbye. Take care.